Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatra with number matic 2909111. In this video, I will explain about my individual assignment 1, which is I have to develop an interface using HTML and CSS. Okay, in this video, before I explain my assignment, I will tell you about Gokeda. What is Gokeda? Gokeda is a application, the application that I developed to inform the tourism to get information about Kedah, especially for tourist uh, tourist place and then famous food on Kedah. And I will continue to the say coding part. Okay, I want to focus about on the right side first, which is the interface, and after that I will explain about the coding. Okay, in here I also create a booting page, and this I'm not count about the one of page that requirement. Okay, first this is home that I develop. This is very simple. In this page, I just make introduction what is Kedah for tourists, and using a description in here, and then I put the picture on this page, and then I will continue to the explore. Okay, for the navbar for 4 of 5 page I using navbar, and all of the CSS code is same. And here, this one is explore. What is explore? Explore means like you can search what is the famous. You can search all of the place from Kedah. I mean, a tourist place that you want to go, and then not all of the place. I mean, you can go to the tourist place. I mean, you can go straight to famous restaurant in Kedah also. And here I just do the dummy data, and I just make one of the page that I want to continue. Okay, from here, this is second page that I develop, and then there is a tag, HTML a tag that can go straight to the other page. Okay, in here, in this page, we can see the detail of the place that we want to go. I put the video, and then the name of the place, a description, and also I also put the review for the place from the user, because it is only using HTML and CSS. I all of the data from here I use a dummy data, and also I use a embedded map on this page. Oh yeah, on this page, sorry for I using a few JavaScript to going back to previous page. And then in this page is Guide. Guide is a community for the user to communicate each other to get information. What the famous place and tips and trick when you are going to Kedah, and what is the famous place, what the hectic time, and also other information that user want to give to others. And I also put a dummy data. This is using card. If you want to add some data, I just copy this HTML and I paste it on here. And this is my fourth page, and this is one of the last page, which is a profile. This is very simple. I just make a simple profile on this page. Just display the account number, what method that I use for login, and also how many posts that I have been post. And this is a setting, and this one is a help center. If you want to get interact with the customer with the system. Okay, first I will explain about the structure first. In this project, I add two folder which is name is image and also page. And why I do that, because I think this 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 is can make me for easier to develop a code for HTML and CSS. And I also put the CSS on the folder CSS. First, let's go to the home. Okay, in this home, I put all of the content in the container, and in the container, I put the header, picture, and also information. And also, I put the navbar in here. This is one is navbar using list, a tag, and also SVG. Oh yeah, I using icon bootstrap to get easiest way to get the icon from the internet. Why I do that? Because if I using an image, it is more harder for me to uh, develop the CSS when I want to change, and it is the easiest ways. I using hover in this. There are four lists in this navbar, which is home, explore, guide, and profile. Home, explore, guide, and profile. Okay, container. Inside the container is a header and also information section. I mean this one. I use image and I use paragraph tag. This one I using div only, div. For the CSS set, as you can see, I just write a code for 173, and I just using a simple color tone, and it is easier for me to develop a scratch interface. I using class in here. Most of the HTML code I using class to make me easier to develop on CSS. This one icons. This one is what I mean before when I using a icon, bootstrap icon. And I'm not sure for this one. This one is media. I think this one is the function of this one is to make the scale from the other one to other device and easier to understand, easier to looks better. Header, basic, text alignment, color, font weight, and also I use Arial on all of the page for the text family, font family. Image section, information. I think this one is easier way to develop HTML and CSS, to separate the HTML and also the CSS to easier more to read. Next, I will go to the explore. Explore. I have same structure like before. Is the container, and I will put the header, and then in here I put the search and their search tabs, scrolling tabs, and then the body I can scroll it into the bottom body. Okay, in here destination card, it means a card, so it called card to manage all of the information. Explore, okay, tab, and next I think guide is one of the one of the page that I need to develop more, but I have no clue what kind of item that I want to add more in here, because I've clueless when I develop here. This one is a simple one. Most of the code get longer because of navbar. What is the function of block? This one is good. If I put more, how to say? If I put more of the, if I put more content in this card, wait, full hell. The function is to get to make the content can be readable above the navbar, and also the simple profile that I developed. And first time I want to make a maps on this page, but I think I will I changed my plan to make the information from this page. And this one is the only one JavaScript that I take from the internet, because I want to get a function to going back to previous page. I using header, iframe, div, and also embedded map. If I'm not mistaken, this is using iframe also. Yes, iframe. I get this code from the Google Maps. And there is a lot of unnatural header that I developed, because I using GPT also for this project. I want to make this one more have a same with other, but is enough I think. And that is for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.